Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all of you. Today I will tell on trigonometry. There are two approaches. First, you have learned in the previous classes, that is on triangles. This is the right angle triangles. This is the base. This is the perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. And you know very well, sine theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is PQ by PR. In this way, mod phi, that is cos theta, tan theta, sine, cos, tan, these are three basic trigonometrical ratio, and reciprocal of these three are mod three trigonometrical ratio, that is known to you very well, cot, sec, cosec. And now in class 11, you have to focus on unit circle, that is angle, this angle 1 radian, this is the radius and this is r. 1 radian equal to 180 degree divided by pi equal to 57 degree 17 minute 45 second. Pi, value of pi that you have learned 180 degree, but here how this value is coming, here instead of that you have to put this value, pi equal to 22 by 7 or 355 by 113 or 3.1415. This value you have to remember. And now we have to focus on this point. Suppose a line, this is the initial position. After single rotation, when it will come in this position, then total angle will be 360 degree. In plane geometry, more than 360 degree is not possible. But in trigonometry, more than 360 degree is possible. How? This line will rotate several times and more than 360 degree angle will fall by rotation. This is the vital part. On the basis of this, you may expect one sum in your exam. And to understand this, we have to recapitulate is needed. That is, you have learned sine minus theta, cos minus theta, tan minus theta, that you have learned. Among these 6 trigonometrical ratio, cos and sec, these two will be the plus, and except these two, other will be minus. And here sine 90 degree plus theta, that is cos theta. To understand the sine, you have to understand this thing. Here x to x dash, that is x axis, y to y dash, that is y axis, they are intersecting perpendicularly at O. O is the origin, that knows to you very well. This is the first quadrant, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth quadrant. All sine, tan, cos, all positive, that is all trigonometrical ratio that will be the positive. If after rotation of the line in final position, if it is coming in this quadrant, then all trigonometrical ratio will be the positive. In this quadrant, if you see, then sine and cosec only. In this way, you have to determine the sign of the angle, whether it will be plus or minus. You must go through this, then easily you will understand main points, that is this question. What is the question? Find the value of sec minus 31 pi by 4. This is the minus, sec minus theta, that is known to you very well, plus sec theta, that is cos, and reciprocal of cos, that two only will be the plus. This is why this is plus. Sec 31 pi by 4. Then we have to put the value of pi 180 degree. After putting and simplifying, this is coming 1395 degree. Now the question, how will you get a value of this angle? To get this value, there are many processes. Among them, I have followed this method. We have to replace this by this expression. How? We have to divide given angle 1395 by 90 degree. After division, we are getting 15 in question and remainder 45. So easily we may replace this by 15 into 90 plus 45 degree. Now the vital point. Here is 15 is coming. When you will see the odd number is multiplying with 90 degree, then ratio sec will be cosec. Odd number, ratio sec will be cosec, cosec will be the sec, tan will be the cot, cot will be tan, sine will be the cos. So this part you have to notice what number is coming. Is it odd or even? In case of even, it will remain same, sec theta, sec theta. In case of odd, the ratio will be changed. When ratio and how ratio will be changed, that is clear. Now the question, the value of plus minus. Now after a rotation, final position of the line, in which quadrant it is coming, that you have to notice carefully. There is a 15. 15, that means after one rotation, that is 4, 2 rotation, that is 8, 3 rotation, that is 12, and 4 rotation 16. This is 15, so 15 up to this is coming. 15 plus, that is 4th quadrant. 15 plus 4th quadrant, that is cos and sec. These two will be plus. So here sec is given, so this value will be plus. Except cos or sec, other. Suppose instead of sec, if it is given sine, then it will be minus. I think it is clear. So it will be plus cosec 45 degree. Value of cosec 45 degree, that is root 2, that you have learned in the previous classes from your standard angle. From there are 5 standard angle: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. From there we are getting this value root 2. I think it is clear to you. Another thing you must remember, trigonometric ratio are also known as trigonometric function. This is trigonometric function, and this is the answer of this question. Still now, if you feel any source of difficulties, you must inform me. I am always with you. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you, everybody.